Welcome to Lumin Bioinformatics. Lumin provides a powerful and practical user interface, allowing scientists to leverage cancer informatics in the study of tumor cell biology and biomarker discovery, all without the need for programming or extensive data manipulation. Lumin leverages powerful visualizations, large, well-studied public datasets, and our own one-of-a-kind proprietary cancer database derived from pre-treated metastatic tumors with full annotation around the patient's treatment history and response profile. This powerful new research tool gives biologists an unparalleled ability to form clinically relevant correlative and causative associations between the molecular makeup of a tumor and drug sensitivity profiles. Visit championsoncology.com and discover Lumin Bioinformatics.